Traveler, Paimon. I suppose your story is ready.
Paimon calls dibs! Paimon first!
Please, go ahead.
Okay, here goes.
Ooh, truly frightening.
What the? You two aren't scared at all!
In other words, the Whopper flowers would ambush and then completely replace their victims.
And then what? Paimon made up this story, but now Paimon's the one who's scared by it.
May I write it down? I may bring it up in future conversations.
What for? Just to scare people with?
Yes.
You've got a real mean streak, Albedo. That was intense! So what happened after that? Did Subject 2's plan succeed?
Fortunately, it is just a story. And even in this story, Subject 2 did not succeed. But you can never let your guard down on Dragonspine. Monsters mutated with Durin's power and blood are also creatures of Rhine-Daughter, just like me. You must beware of all such creatures. I'm glad to hear that. It's okay. I know what I am. You and I are both different, so there is no need for me to hide the truth from you.
Hello? Traveler? Are you here?
Hey, is that Amber?
Thought we might find you here. We're here to deliver a message from Cyrus. There's gonna be a big event down at the base camp, and they want you there too, Traveler. Allow me to introduce Yozerv. He's Joel's father.
Dad, this is that Traveler I was telling you about. The Traveler's helped me out loads in the past, and this time, we even built a snowman together.
Joel has told me everything about you. I can't thank you enough.
Wow, this is amazing! Wait a second. Why is Cyrus discreetly wiping tears away? And what is Pallid doing here?
Pallid is the hero of the hour this time. Go on, Pallid. Tell us what happened in your own words.
Okay. The weather was fine on that
Why does this sound so hard to believe?
but I had only been away. I fell down a
Uh-oh. Did my bad luck rub off on him when we ran into each other on the mountain?
The place I fell to was somewhere. Then I met Yozerv.
Huh?
Wow, so
I thought he must have been. The temperature was. We got back to the.
Daddy.
Daddy's right here, Joel. Daddy's right here.
Ozerf, don't you remember anything else at all? The poor princess, feeding the foxes?
I'm sorry. I have no recollection. Maybe.
Traveler and Paimon, what can I do for you? Wait a minute. You've got that mischievous look on your face. Oh, you're not still thinking about that ridiculous juicer thing, are you?
Timaeus, will you help us?
Well, if the Traveler isn't really interested, then, yeah, maybe I'll give this one a pass. It's just the weirdest request ever.
New research project, Timaeus? We meet again.
That's impossible.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Turning fruit into juice is not hard, but keeping it fresh is more difficult. But if you simply want to keep the fruit from rotting, there are many ways to achieve this. Right, Traveler?
his neck.
What's wrong? Is there something on my neck? From the look on your face, it's as if you thought I just played a practical joke on you that was in exceedingly poor taste.
Yeah.
From Mondstadt's wine, aren't you?